Ever wish your bathroom breaks were less stressful? Let's compare typical odor solutions to Poo-Pourri Beach Bum. Regular air fresheners, bulky, aerosol-based, and not travel-friendly. Most sprays mask odors, leaving awkward lingering scents. Some use harsh chemicals, parabens, phthalates, or artificial fragrances. Standard bottles, not TSA-approved, inconvenient for travel. Discretion? Hard with noisy sprays or large bottles. Now, meet Poo-Pourri Before You Go toilet spray. Pocket-sized, TSA-approved, perfect for travel, work, or daily use. Plant-based formula with essential oils, no parabens, no phthalates. Funk-lock technology traps odors before they escape. No masking. Odors are eliminated, not covered up. Spray 3 to 5 times before you go. Simple, effective, instant. Fresh coconut, orchid, and toasted praline scent. No chemical aftersmell, just a clean, tropical freshness. Compact 1 OZ bottle fits in any purse, pocket, or carry-on. Durable, sleek sprayer for a fine, even mist. Up to 50 uses per bottle. Long-lasting freshness on the go. Discreet design. Use confidently in shared or public restrooms. Compare regular sprays versus Poo-Pourri Beach Bum side by side. Regular spray. Large, noisy, chemical-laden, leaves lingering funk. Poo-Pourri. Small, quiet, natural, leaves only beachy freshness. Regular spray. Not TSA-approved, leaks in bags. Poo-Pourri. TSA-approved, leak-proof, travel-tested. Regular spray. Covers up, doesn't eliminate odors. Poo-Pourri. Traps odors instantly. No awkward exits. Regular spray. Not suitable for professional settings. Poo-Pourri. Discreet, professional, perfect for office bathrooms. Regular spray. Artificial scents. Potential health risks. Poo-Pourri. Plant-based, Leaping Bunny certified, safe for air. Regular spray. Clunky bottle, hard to use on the go. Poo-Pourri. Ergonomic sprayer, easy application anywhere. Visual. Show Poo-Pourri fitting in pocket, purse, carry-on. Visual spritzing Poo-Pourri, releasing fine mist. Visual. Regular spray. Bulky, awkward, chemical cloud. Visual. Poo-Pourri. Sleek, compact, tropical scent burst. Visual. Traveler using Poo-Pourri confidently in airport restroom. Visual. Commuter freshening up before returning to work. Visual. Office worker discreetly spritzing before meetings. Visual side-by-side scent test. Poo-Pourri wins. Visual Poo-Pourri bottle versus regular spray bottle size. Visual. Poo-Pourri's essential oil ingredients highlighted. Visual. Funk-lock technology animation trapping odors. Visual. Happy user exiting restroom, no embarrassment. Visual. Poo-Pourri Beach Bum on desk in travel bag. Visual gifting Poo-Pourri. Perfect for travelers, professionals. Summary. Poo-Pourri eliminates odors, not just masks them. Summary. Travel-friendly, TSA-approved, always ready. Summary. Plant-based, safe, and tropical fresh. Summary. Discreet, professional, and long-lasting. Why settle for less? Upgrade your bathroom experience. Choose Poo-Pourri Beach Bum for reliable odor control. Leave every restroom smelling like a day at the beach. No more awkward exits, no more lingering funk. Ready to freshen up your routine? Get your Poo-Pourri Beach Bum today. Spray before you go. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.